What was the moment or insight that convinced you that AI had reached a point where it could be used meaningfully to find these zero-day vulnerabilities, even in like the most widely used code bases, well-audited code bases in the world, and you're still finding new things? Like, what convinced you that this was the moment and to make this leap from AI research into cyber?
It's an excellent question. I actually started even before AI in physics. I used to be a physicist working on theoretical physics for my bachelor's and master's degrees at Cambridge. And then the pivotal moment in switching from physics to AI actually was AlphaGo, this system from DeepMind in 2015, 2016 that first beat the European champion in the ancient board game of Go that came literally decades ahead of schedule based on predictions at the time. And then that made me realize that like what we have right now seems to be quite magical. The capabilities AI is like now at a time 2015, 2016 gaining seems to be akin to some sort of intuition, something that seems to be more than mere interpolation. So I quit physics, moved to California to work on AI, did my PhD at Stanford, focusing primarily on deep learning theory, so understanding how deep learning works deep down. Spent some time at Google Brain, DeepMind, and Anthropic working on eventually more and more security-related aspects of machine learning and language models specifically eventually, and realizing the most amount of impact likely comes from the domain where the AI systems meet the classical software infrastructure we normally work with.